Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to find quick start guide for your headphones JBL TUNE 770. You have to start by open JBL Headphones application. Of course you should add your headphones to the app, your headphones should be connected, and then it will open for you headphones menu. If it open for your main menu, just tap at your headphones here. Then scroll down and you need to go to the support at the bottom. Right here at the second line we have quick start guide, so tap at this line and right here you have it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!